start filming. Be extra loud when the train passes by. Here we go. And action.
Look, I'm gonna stay here and investigate. I think it'd be safer if you left town for a couple of days.
John, I don't like it. This case, these murders.
What do you want me to do? Go to Michigan with you?
Mackinac Island's beautiful this time of year.
I don't have a choice.
You do have a choice. We all do. John, I've never asked you to stop. I've never asked you to give up or walk away. But I'm asking you now. Please, for me, just don't go. Just don't go back. Don't leave me. I need to know this isn't the last time I'm gonna see you. Just, I love you so much.
Love you too.
Guys, watch out! Joe, what the hell are you? Oh my God! Run!
Oh my God!
Holy shit! Alice! Joe, let's go! We gotta go!
Keep going. Are we alive?
I don't want to die! Guys,
I'm okay.
Martin, you okay?
Though I think I'm having a heart attack. And I have a scrape.
Joe! Oh my God. Guys, did you see those explosions? You guys seen Alice? That was unbelievable!
Why did this happen?
Martin, it's gonna be okay.
No, it's not, dude. Look at this.
What's all that blood? What's the blood? Did someone get hurt?
Joe, what are you doing?
Joe,
You
stop!
No,
Put your hand under there.
Joe, you don't want to Joe!
It's my fake blood. It's fake. Guys, come here. What are these things?
No one cares. Look
They
around
look
you.
like white Rubik's Cubes or something.
I don't think that's what they are.
They're
They don't-
heavy, like metal or something.
Yeah.
There's like a billion of them.
What's going on?
Martin, it's gonna be okay, all right?
Are you serious?
You guys, get up here. You can see everything from up here.
Joe!
According to my Uncle Seth, an accident like this is exceptionally rare.
It wasn't an accident. What? There was a truck on the train tracks.
Are you serious?
Like driving on the tracks? There. Oh my gosh.
Shit, let's get the hell out of here! Shit!